Today, we are going to create something completely different and unique. First, take a look at this channel. It has 25K subscribers, and if you check the videos, you can see that they create amazing content. One video has 253K views, and another video has 319K views. There are many more videos like these that are performing very well. You can easily create the same type of videos. Now, if you are wondering whether this channel is monetized or not, simply open Social Blade. As you can see, the channel appears there with 25K subscribers, and you can also see that the channel is monetized. Its estimated monthly earnings are around $286 to $4.6K, which is very good. You can also create a YouTube channel like this and make AI videos for free. So, let's get started and learn how to create trending AI videos step by step. First of all, friends, open ChatGPT. Once ChatGPT is open, copy the first green prompt and click on Bro, I want my channel to look like this. Paste the prompt there. After that, ChatGPT may ask you for some example channel links. Simply provide 2-3 channel links that match the style of content you want to create. For example, I can paste one channel link here and another one here. These are the channels whose video style I want to follow. As soon as you provide the links, ChatGPT will analyze those channels and identify what works best for that type of content. It will then generate custom prompts for you. Make sure to follow this exact method. Next, copy prompt 1, the red one, prompt 2, the second red one, and the green prompt below them. Paste all of them together into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will automatically generate a short video story for you. I'm talking about shorts first, not long-form videos, because shorts grow faster, get monetized more quickly, and can be created completely for free. After pasting the prompts, you'll see that ChatGPT creates a 150-word story automatically. If you want a longer story, simply edit the prompt and change it to 200 words or any length you prefer. It will then generate scene-by-scene image prompts and video prompts for every scene. Next question is, how do we create the images and videos for free? For image generation, I use Leonardo.ai. It's an excellent platform, and I personally use it myself. Click on Start Now, then select Image. After that, choose the Phoenix 1.0 model. I mention this model in every video because the results are consistently amazing. Next, click on Custom and set the aspect ratio to 9:16 since we're creating vertical videos for shorts. Now, copy the image prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into Leonardo.ai. Once you paste the prompt, the image generation process will begin. The results are high quality, detailed, and look fantastic. Repeat the same process for all the image prompts. Simply copy and paste them one by one until all your images are generated. The output quality is HD, and the final results look incredible. As you can see, all the images are now ready and look amazing. This is how you can easily create professional quality images using Leonardo.ai. Now all my image is ready. Now, let me show you which website I use to turn these images into videos first. If you want to create videos, click on Simple Creative Studios and log in. Once you log in, you will receive 1,000 credits, which allow you to create up to 100 videos. Yes, with 1,000 credits, you can create 100 videos. Every 10 credits are used for a 10-second video, and you can also create long videos using this website. First, click here and go to Upload Image. Then, select Image to Video. After that, copy the image you want to turn into a video and upload it. Paste the prompt, choose the duration, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, or any length you want, and click Generate. It will start creating shorts videos for you. After a short time, you will see that the video is being generated, and you can check the result as well. The results are amazing. This is how you can use this website to create videos. As you can see, I have used one video, and now I have 995 credits remaining. You can easily use it in the same way and create as many videos as you want. My videos are already ready on this website. Now let's move to the second website, which is also absolutely amazing. We have used this website before as well. The name of the website is Flow Labs. Just search Flow Labs on Google and open the first website that appears. When you create a new account with a fresh email, it gives around 150 free credits at the start. After that, it continues giving daily credits, which is a huge advantage. First, click on New Project. After that, click on the Start option. Then, upload your image. Once the image is uploaded, click on the three dots and then click on Add Prompt. Now simply paste your prompt there. As soon as you paste the prompt, the video generation will start automatically. Now I'll upload the next image as well. After uploading the second image, I'll paste its prompt too. Now both videos will start generating at the same time. The first video is already ready. And let me show you the result. You can see the quality looks amazing and very professional. The output from this website is seriously impressive, and you can easily create high-quality AI videos with it. Now the second video has also started generating, and it's ready too. You can check the result, it looks fantastic as well. So this is how you can easily create AI videos on this website without any difficulty. Now, if we look at this YouTube channel, you can understand the type of videos we create. As you can see, they are using background music, so we will also use background music in our videos. We will go to YouTube and open the audio library. After clicking on the audio library, you can see that this music track is very good and its sound is one of the best. In the same way, there are many other music tracks available. The ones I am clicking on are also great for these types of videos. However, you can use your own ideas and select whichever music you like the most. So, as you can see, my background music is now ready as well, creating a stunning cinematic result. Now, I'll show you exactly how to edit your videos professionally and transform them into high-quality cinematic AI videos with ease. For editing, I'll be using CapCut, one of the best and most beginner-friendly video editing software options available today. It's simple to use, packed with powerful features, and perfect for creating professional-looking content. First, import all of your AI-generated videos and the voiceover into CapCut. Then, start arranging the clips according to your story and synchronize them with the voiceover. CapCut offers a wide range of amazing features, including smooth transitions, cinematic effects, professional filters, animated text, background music, motion effects, and much more. Using these tools, you can significantly improve the quality and engagement of your videos. Here, I'll add professional effects, perfectly sync the voiceover with each scene, enhance the visuals, and complete the final editing process. And that's it. Our cinematic AI video is now fully finished and ready to publish. Take a look at the final result. It looks absolutely amazing. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting AI content and tutorials coming soon.